Dear friends, I would like to inform you that we have had an unfortunate situation where we have had a positive case of COVID-19 in our state of Meghalaya, in Shillong. And this situation has come in spite of all the measures that have been taken from our side. But at the same time, I would like to inform and assure the people of Shillong City as well as of Meghalaya State that the state government is fully prepared to tackle the situation. We have immediately imposed a complete curfew in the city of Shillong for the next 48 hours. Also, we request everybody to kindly cooperate and not to leave their homes for the next 48 hours. We have also sealed the institution that where the information has been found and the case has been found. And at the same time, in this institution, which is Bethany Hospital, all the people who have visited Bethany Hospital from the 22nd of March and after that, I would sincerely urge all the citizens to kindly inform us by calling at 108 number.
Para nong song be jogi jela megala jongi kam tam jong kari khasi jantia jongi na ko ban pentip sepi mentak met bang is ngosi banyathu akhmat jompi baladon ka kes mentak khendiat kentang ka ba kela test ba kalong positif kana jingpang jong ka COVID-19 kabalayo kem kensan yawe doktor ba pauna jong ka jela megala jongi hamne hapo Bethany Hospital nakwa ban kren na kmat jampi da ka basno khia mangsin bat da ka banga kerpat rit kmat jampi ba phimne bandon kono kono ke jing snow rit mangsin na kaliang jogo sarkar kala persang manta lalai tayo ban pentikna ba kanom don ka kes Tian rei menta kemit kelajia kan ika kes. Na kermes kem ublei trai kena ru undor nengkat lembat ni. Pimdei ban long ban septing, pimdei ban don kanu kanu kejing snow. Tian rei nginyet rei sitong lau rengkat at kabor sorkar. Haka ba menta kemit nila asil nila kang ya porok ka hospital kabadon Bethany. Kenang ba kanum don kanunu kejing spread kejing sapriang uneu kenyang jingpang kumta ngakar parrit ye phi parok sngo bahaya sya bangi la syai ka sngi na do hunriu bujim step ngakwa ban ong ye phi bangi kerpat ba phinmi shanu shanuru shabar jong ka yeng ka sem ka jong phi naman nakaliang jongi ka sarkar ngidang ye treshi tom mentak met la syai ka sngi parok shisgi ban pentikna bonu kenyang jingpang unnum sapriang keleng saudong jong ka jaj ben riu ke jengi bat keleng sudo saudong jong ke jela megala sngo ba ki perlok be ki prasnong ki prathau bat kum ju ru ki nong song snong jong ke jela megala ka bang kerpat rit ya phina keleng ka sarkar sngo ba ban duai kerpang ya uni doktor bayo i ka de jingpang ha ka de gamit baun yo ya ke jingkot ke jingkia bat kum ju ru la si ki bia jan kibia kontak batu bahkan nomdon kono ka positive test la syai ka ba menta ka met ila penkre ya ka ban test baru ban advice yaki bakin syong halaki jong ki jaka claim ka jing ya mix lang ban no ro doble try kana kurku kordo ya ka jela megala kurku kordo ya ka yin ka sem bat kam tam yu doktor bayo i ka jingpang khnang ba un yo i ka jing kot ka jing ya kam kloi bat tu plong kerpang ya ka jing dwai jong pi halaki jong ki thliu yin khnang ba ublei un trei borba ba ka ne ka jingpang uneu khnang jingpang ka ne ka klam ka ba yat keleng sodong ka perthei kanam yo jaka banrum hapok ka jela ka jungi ka jela ka batip riu ka tiplei bat ka jela ka jingi ka bat tip ya ka bor jong unong pen im jongi nang te na sahit ne